The ASUS ROG Zephyrus is a powerful gaming laptop that brings together cutting-edge performance and premium display technology in one sleek. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this laptop in the description below at the latest price. This Zephyrus model is built for high-end gaming, content creation, and advanced multitasking, featuring the new Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor, a chip that combines performance cores, efficiency cores, and AI-enhanced capabilities to manage everything from AAA games to professional workloads with ease. Its standout feature is undoubtedly the 16-inch 2.5K OLED ROG Nebula Display, boasting a stunning 240Hz refresh rate and ultra-fast 0.2 milliseconds response time. Gamers will appreciate the buttery smooth motion, deep contrast ratios, and 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, making every frame feel more lifelike and immersive. The display isn't just about performance, it's a visual experience that enhances gaming, design work, and content viewing alike. Complementing this is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU with 8GB GDDR6 memory and ROG Boost, which delivers impressive graphical power and real-time ray tracing performance, giving you the visual fidelity and speed required for modern gaming. The Zephyrus doesn't compromise on storage or memory either, offering 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM clocked at a blazing 7,467 MHz for snappy multitasking. The 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD provides lightning-fast load times and ample space for your game library, media files, and software. Wrapped in a stylish gray chassis with an RGB backlit keyboard, this machine doesn't just perform, it looks the part. Running Windows 11 Pro, the laptop supports all the latest features, including enhanced security, productivity tools, and compatibility with the newest software. With a balanced combination of performance, display, and design, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus 2024 is a standout choice for gamers and creators seeking premium power in a portable format.